往安全门方向疏散，所有人员请注意，现在已经发生火警。
Guys, we're here at Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. So, that's the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. Tapos, ito yung dalawang hall. Katabi niya. Dito ko sa side entrance dumaan. So, para at least nasa gitna tayo agad. Ang lamig today, mahangin, pero mainit yung sikat ng araw. This. Ang ganda dito. Kita mo yung old world and the new world surrounding Chiang Kai-shek. Ito yung mga buildings around. Sobrang lawak pala nito. Doon sa bandang harap, maraming nagpapapicture. So, medyo dito muna tayo. Mamaya pupunta tayo doon. I think may museum din dito eh. So, let's try to explore the area. So, that's it for now. I'll update you guys in a bit. So, inside the hall, the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, merong mga exhibitions. 4 floors to. Yung 4th floor is kung nasan yung statue ng Chiang Kai-shek. And then, yung first, second, third, merong, mga ganito, mga exhibitions. And may restroom naman doon. We are following the guards dahil changing of guards. Buti inabutan natin. Kung nag-ati si Sopo kung Hi guys, we're now here at Taipei 101. So we're here to explore the area. Kita nyo naman ang ganda-ganda niya. Sobrang intricate ng design. So try natin pumasok sa loob to see what's inside. So dito sa lobby, sobrang lawak. Actually maraming offices na nandito sa building na to. I was able to get my stamp din pala of Taipei 101 dito sa may gilid. So, andito naman tayo ngayon sa 5th floor kung saan dito yung pilahan kung akit kayo dun sa observatory And meron silang gift shop dito. So, in-explore ko lang saglit tong gift shop to see kung ano-ano yung mga binibenta nila. Siyempre, medyo pricey dito as compared to mga souvenir shops outside the building. So we're here now at Jantan Station and we're going to Shilin Night Market. Yung Jantan Station is part of the Red Line. Tapos mayroong way para makapunta sa Shilin Night Market. So we're now here at Shilin Night Market and we'll explore the area. Yan, sobrang daming tao dito. Sobrang daming mga tourists. May mga tour groups na nandito ngayon. May mga kasabay natin. Ayan, may mga flags sila. Na hawak ng tour guide. So, itong Shilin, ang vibe niya is para siyang Divisoria / Green Hills. Nabilihan ng mga pasalubong. Meron akong part dito na name Perry. Ayan, kung makikita niyo. Tapos, may part na may bilihan ng mga t-shirts, may part na bilihan ng mga usual souvenirs like keychains, ref magnets, and a lot more.
Explore natin yung food court kasi nagugutom na ako. Okay, maraming options. At teppanyaki pa. Ang sarap.
Ice cream, ice cream. 是这种早吃饭吧？
要小心烫哦，慢慢吃。
是外可以带走吗？
So, we're down to our last day at Taiwan. We're going to fly out later this evening. So, pinuntahan ko lang tong isang photo spot ng Taipei 101. It's sa gilid siya ng City Hall Station. So, exit 2 ng City Hall Station. Tapos, walk lang kayo ng konti. Makikita nyo tong, actually, it's connected to a mall eh. So, parang ano siya, outside garden ng mall, tapos may mga hagdan, ganyan. So, okay dito kasi konti yung tao lang today, no? Pero, okay naman kasi hindi naman pa siya umuulan. Ito ding area na to, okay din siyang photo spot. Malapit din to dun sa City Hall Station, going to Taipei City Hall. So, by chance ko lang to nakita and kita mo in a different angle naman here yung Taipei 101.
We're currently here at Songshan District.
Actually guys, talagang dinayo natin tong area na to, no? At hindi pinalampas na makapunta tayo before tayo umuwi ng Manila is because may gusto tayong try na isang drink at isang dessert na dito lang sa Songshan District nakita. And later, makikita niyo kung ano yun. So, we're now here at Sabaytian. This is a mochi store and sa mga hindi nakakaalam, mahilig ako sa mochi. So, hindi pwedeng hindi ko matry.
How many times have you visited Manila?
I used to work there.
Work there
Work there
where?
for 6 months.
6 months. Where in Manila?
PGC.
Oh, BGC.
Yeah.
That's in Taguig. Oh.
Yes, please.
Okay, so we're now here at Yoshi Cola. This is a viral Japanese craft cola na na-hype sa TikTok lalo. So we're going to try this out and see if the hype is real. Sabi sa Google, it uses 100% natural ingredients without artificial additives. It has 10 different spices. So, let's see, let's try it out.
The milk flavor? Yeah. So just make sure you mix well before drinking it. Okay. Thank you. Do you want to keep this? Oh, sure. Have a nice day.
Okay, so yung lasa ng Yoshi Cola is somewhat similar to root beer. Hindi siya yung katulad nung kilala natin yung mga cola, yung color red and yung red and blue, no? So, ganon. Kung mahilig kayo sa root beer, it's something to try in Taipei. Okay, no? So, hindi ko na kayo nasama sa ibang mga ganap, but we're now going to the airport and uwi na tayo ng Manila. I'm actually thinking if makakapag-lounge access pa tayo sa Taoyuan Airport. So, let's see later and isasama ko kayo dun sa lounge experience na yun. So, you just follow the signs going to the gates and VIP lounge. From the immigration, it says mga 8 minutes yung book going to the gates. I'm just not sure kung gaano ka layo yung lounge. Well, it depends kung anong lounge yung i-access mo. So here it says VIP lounge. So it's going up there. Pero syempre, sa Pinoy, check muna natin and read natin. Butterfly Garden. Learning prayer room for Muslims or Catholics. Ayan, for iba-ibang religion. This is what the prayer room looks like. So we're now here sa Plaza Premier Lounge and I'll tour you guys kung anong itsura sa loob. So, ito yung food na nakuha ko. May noodles, may nuggets, may croissant, jams. I also had white wine and iced tea. So, that's it guys. I'll end the vlog here. Thank you for joining me on this series. And if hindi mo pa napapanood yung ibang mga vlogs ko about Taipei, please do check it out on my playlist. If umabot ka dito, please do subscribe and follow me on my socials. And I'll see you on the next vlog. Thank you!